Unico by Olimpia Splendid, the air conditioner with no external unit. No more external units on house facades. Unico, with only 2 holes through the wall and a single internal unit, brings comfort and beauty to your home. It not only cools but also dehumidifies and provides heating. And about noise? The silent system technology realized through up-to-date soundproof materials is the quietest Unico ever, even suitable for bedrooms. And due to the inverter technology, it saves up to 30% of energy compared to a traditional product. It totally minimizes the amount of space required by virtue of the latest generation of slim components. It can be installed either at floor or ceiling level, in the middle of the wall, or in the corner of your room. It can be fitted on any external wall of the house, with only 2 holes for the air and 1 single small vent for the exhaust condensation when used as a heat pump. Unico, the air conditioner with no external unit. Made in Italy. Olimpia Splendid, an Italian company since 1956.